I just thought I'd show you this. It's something I picked up on Amazon actually, and it's a little power meter, measures voltage and current. You can put your source, your power supply on that end. There's a couple of short leads, I'll have to put some connectors on here, and your load, so your transceiver or whatever you're plugging into your 12 volt supply on that end, and you'll get a readout of current and voltage. So let's just plug it into a 12 volt supply and we'll see how it looks. And I've got it plugged into my 12 volt, or one of my 12 volt supplies here in the shack, and I'll just flick the power supply on and you can see obviously on the right we've got the voltages coming out of the supply. There's no load on this at the moment, so we've got no current being drawn. We can see that on the left. This is going to be part of a portable setup. I'm going to get hold of probably a LiPo battery, fairly lightweight one to take portable, and I just wanted to have one of these as part of the kit. It cost me about £11. It's about £11 delivered on Amazon. There it is, the watt meter, and pardon the reflections there. Quite a nice clear display. I think it'll be useful to have in line if I'm using a battery, so I can actually measure the both the remaining voltage in the battery I'm using and the current draw, depending on what power I'm going to use. So there it is, the watt meter. I'll just show you. It did come with a little bit of documentation. Comes with an instruction sheet with the various specifications, but the kind of misleading thing about this documentation, the reason I'm showing it to you, is tells you the features of the meter, and at the bottom there we've got made in USA to ISO 9001. Surprised me a bit because this was a fairly cheap item, and most of this stuff, as we all know, is made in China. It definitely says made in the USA there. So if we turn the sheet over, and we've got again various specifications and how to connect it up and all that sort of thing, but at the bottom, made in China. So was it made in China, or was it, as it says there, made in the USA? Well, I know what I take a gamble on, but anyway, let's hope it works okay. It looks reasonably well made, but I just thought I'd show you that. So I really don't think that statement carries any weight. But I've got it plugged into my 12 volt, or one of my 12 volt supplies here in the shack, and